opening the brand new Nana Surprise Ultimate Surprise! Yay! Thank you so much, Nana Surprise, for sending this package for free. Look at this cute kitty. It's a rainbow pastel, and you know me, I love rainbows. And this cat is super fluffy and cute. Super adorable. So let's open it up. We just need to unzip it like a backpack. Open it up. Well, right here we have our back. It's super big. It's bigger than the other ones. It's super big. So we get our straw. Here's a straw. Let's start blowing. So we just need to put it in like this. Make sure it's in. Oh no. Okay. Look how big it is compared to this one. It's super big. So now let's pop it. Here. Ooh, it's like Christmas. Whoa, look at all those flying bags. There's like so much in here. Whoa. There's so much. Look at how the little confetti is bigger than the other confettis. And the small Nana Surprise ones. There's so much. Woo! So now let's open the flying bags. So let's open this one. I'm gonna grab my scissors, to open all these flying bags. Oh, this is such a cute dress. It's a rainbow. Is it a dress? Let's see. It's a rainbow dress. Look how cute it is. It's very poofy. On to the next one. Let's open this one up. See what we have in here. We have this rainbow jacket. On to our next flying bag. Put our clothes right here in the bottom. Ooh, we have this skinny one. See what's in here. This little top with a bow. Let's open this one. So let's see what's inside of here. Ooh, what's this? Oh, look how cute that kitty is. This is a really big jacket. On to our next one. Let's do this one. So let's put it right here. Snippity snip snip. Ah! It fell! It was like blop. Ooh, we have this Rainbow Kitty hat. Let's see. We have this flying bag. Let's open this flying bag before I open the humongous flying bag. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Ooh. What's this? It's a skirt. I think I know what it goes with. Ta-da! So now let's open a huge one. Okay. Let's see what it is. Whoa, this is a really big chain. This is like super big. Whoa. So let's open this up to see if we have any more surprises to unwrap. We do! We have more prizes! It's like Christmas morning. Whoa, we have 2 bags. I guess let's get our straw and start blowing them. So I blew this one off camera, so now let's blow this one. Woo! like a birthday party in a bag. So now let's open it up and see what we get. Let's see. Ooh. Whoa. There's like tons of flying bags. 3 flying bags in one bag? Whoa. So let's open this one up. Whoa, these are really big and tall shoes. Whoa. This is like really tall and big. Dun, 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 dun. Now let's open this one up. Snip. Whoa, something went flying. Oh, look at these little slippers. Open it up. These are fuzzy. The fuzzy materials on them are so cute and fuzzy. Look how cute it is. And it's really fuzzy. So let's open this one now. And then we'll do this one. There we go. Whoa. Big rainbow glasses. Nah. It's so cute. So now, time for this one. Whoa! Let's open it up now. I'm just like super excited to open all of these and see my doll. We got some more flying bags. Have to open them all up. Ooh, we got the hairbrush. This pink cat hairbrush. Let's see what's in this one. There's like so much flying bags. These are super cute. I love the rainbow in the bottom. These are so cute. Check out the other pair. There we go. We got the 2 pairs. See a lot of these flying bags. My table is full of flying bags. So let's see what we got in here. Hello. Whoa, look at these shoes. They're like rainbow and metallic at the same time. Whoa, and they have these cute cats. This person must love cats and rainbows. So now let's take these onto his side. I think there's more flying bags since we still haven't gotten our doll yet. Our doll's right here. There she is. Open her up. Whoa. You see her? Whoa! She looks super cool. Let's take her out. So we took our doll out. Look at her hair. She has this is super long hair right here. She has her little swimsuit. She has purple blue hair. She even has this little bracelet right here. Now let me show you this comparison. So excuse me, little bags and shoes. So our doll is right here. You see her. Now let's bring our regular Nana surprise in. She's super tall. Whoa, tall. She's super tall, but now we're gonna make her even taller by putting on these really tall shoes. Oh no. Okay, one in. Time for the second one. Ready? This is so funny. So now let's dress her up. So here's her first outfit. Doesn't it look super cute? And I forgot to say her name. Her name is Piper Prim. Isn't that such a cute name? She's super cute. From the bottom all the way to the top, she's pure rainbow. Super cute. So let's do the next outfit. Fashion show time. Dun, 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 dun. Here she is. She has her glasses on top right here. This adorable outfit and these shoes that make her look really tall. And you can mix and match their clothes. So let's say you can put these with this outfit and also add the jacket. So there's many different ways you could decorate and style your beautiful doll. She has I can't believe that she has this really long hair. It looks really long. This is super cute. I love the glasses. They just go perfect with everything. Thank you so much, Nana Surprise, for sending me this package for free. Bye, everyone. Hope you enjoyed my video.